first little bit of lumber.
From Montana.
Kentucky.
The reason we did that is to save on sales tax. Montana does not have sales tax, and Idaho does.
Yeah. So we're saving close to $1,000 on.
Right around, a little less than 1,000.
Yeah, on sales tax for all of our lumber and supplies.
Yeah.
Matching.
I know. We're good like that.
Typical.
Yeah, typical.
Mm-hmm.
So, on the drive back, we realized that maybe we should go into depth and do a little something on how we're saving as much money as possible.
Yeah.
I'm building this thing. So, we touched on sales tax. That was a big one.
Nice option to have.
Yeah, so if you're in a state that doesn't have sales tax, you're already ahead of us a little bit. Or if you're close to a state where you can go and pick up your supplies, you know, weigh your options a little bit, because for us it was worth it.
Definitely do the research too.
Yeah.
Call around.
Definitely.
Yeah, eventually you'll end up talking to the right person and getting some good info.
Yeah. I remember I called like probably a dozen different people.
Yeah.
And like some are obviously a lot more helpful than others.
Yeah.
And that's another thing, like call around to all your local supply yards for anything. You'd be surprised with like, even the lumber yard today, I asked them, they have the plastic septic tanks, they have poly septic tanks.
Yeah.
So like most suppliers can get most supplies, I guess.
Right. Even if they don't have it on hand, they'll figure it out.
Yeah, they can help you out. And to that point, most suppliers getting most supplies, not all suppliers are the same price, even though they're getting the exact same supplies. The local lumber yard to get all of our supplies was like $4,000 more.
Yeah.
With sales tax, but sales tax was only $800 or so.
Probably.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. So it kind of.
And then like you gotta go in and look at like the big chains too, because the big chains are competitive, and they offer delivery at a competitive price as well.
Right.
So that was an option for us, but even then, it was more worth it to jump over the border.
Yeah. Feels a little better too, helping out or just giving business to your local guys.
Yeah, the local community for
Mom
sure.
and pop place.
Yeah, yeah, it's just across the way.
Yeah.
What else are we doing? We're getting credit cards. We don't
Yeah.
need to get credit cards, but
No.
we figured we might as well try to capitalize on some rewards.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, whether it be just points for, you know, cash back or airline miles are a nice one too, I guess.
The miles, it seems like those rack up faster than like the cash back rewards.
Yeah.
I think we got 1.5% cash back
Right.
on our cards. So that's another way to do it, just to save a little bit of extra money, so you kind of have a little something at the end, you know, whether you redeem it for points or cash.
Right.
What's another way that we're saving money?
I guess we're just getting a lot of help from family and friends when it comes to equipment and like
neighbors.
The trailer we used today was my parents.
That tractor, the old backhoe, was our neighbor's.
Yeah.
We were able to get permission to use a dump truck from one of our old neighbors.
Mm-hmm.
So it just like, it totally helps to talk to people, and most of the time people are
More than
willing. Yeah, they love it. Yeah, you're doing a project and you're excited and they're excited.
And if they get to help you, then they're all about it.
Yeah, and it's we appreciate it so much. Like, it helps us out so much. Like, we can't even
because a lot of things
begin.
Wouldn't have really even been possible if we had to rent everything.
Oh yeah, there's no way it would have been possible.
Or buy.
We'd already be halfway through the money.
Right. So
yeah,
that's been a really nice help for sure.
And then like to that point of just like asking for help, even like say you're in the lumber store, just ask them. Like say they give you a price and a quote, ask them, is this the best price you can give me? And I'd say 9 times out of 10 they'll, depending on how much money you're spending, they'll knock something off of it.
Yeah.
And it's like, I don't know.
The worst they can tell you is no.
Yeah, exactly. Some people would think that's like rude to even ask, but it's, you know, you're giving them the business. You're about to spend lots of money, thousands of dollars there. Might as well ask. Worst they can say is no.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's like just a couple ways that we're saving money, and it's
doing our best.
Yeah,
really.
we don't know what we're doing at all. We're just winging it big time.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to find any way we can.
Yeah, sift through all the options, try and find the best one, or whatever suits us the most, because what works for us might not work for other people.
Oh yeah, and there's options we weighed that they weren't even feasible, but they could have saved us money if we were in a different scenario or a different location.
Right.
Yeah, so like everybody has to weigh their personal, individual scenario, for sure. Yeah. But yeah. So
that's it.
Thanks for watching our little video.
Keeping up.
We're trying. As you can see, it snowed.
Yeah.
So we're fighting the weather and we're fighting road limits. We might get a well tomorrow.
I hope so.
That'd be cool.
That's what they say.
We'll have water.
Yeah, we got some big stuff coming up.
Yep.
So it'll get fun here.
Stay tuned.
Pretty quick.
It's gonna get busy. It's gonna get really busy. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yeah.